sitting here in a cedar swamp. It's 11:30. I had, about 10 minutes ago, I had a big doe walk by. Then got my gun ready. About 5 minutes later, nice buck walked by. I think about 30 yards. I whacked him. We're going to see how good the hit was. I'm going to have to follow up on it pretty soon here because the snow is going to be coming down. So we'll see if I can find any blood. It's hard to tell right here, but there's a blowdown right there about 12 feet wide. This deer jumped over it and there's blood on a branch that's about 8 feet in the air. Alright, I'm taking this video as I walk up to this deer for the first time. A lot of blood.